Grammar exercise for beginners number 4. A, an, or some. Number 1. Number 1. I'm drinking milk. Milk is not countable, so you cannot use a or an. So you need to use some. I am drinking some milk. Would you like blank cup of tea? Cup of tea. So singular, and C is consonant. We need to use a. Would you like a cup of tea? Do you want blank orange? Orange is countable and it is starting with a vowel, so we need to put on. Do you want an orange? Buy him nice present for his birthday. Nice present is countable and then N is a consonant. We need to use a. Buy him a nice present for his birthday. Father gives me money every week. So money is not countable. You cannot use a or on. You need to use some. Father gives me some money every week. Do you want apple? Apple is singular countable. So we need to use on because A is a vowel. Number 7, he's got stamps. So stamps, this is plural. So you cannot use a or on. You need to use some. He's got some stamps. Number 8, would you like orange juice? Orange juice is not countable, so you need to use some. Would you like some orange juice? Would you like butter and jam? Butter and jam, they are not countable either, so you need to use some. Would you like some butter and jam? Number 10, Mom, please give me melon. Melon is countable and M is consonant. You need to use a. Mom, please give me a melon. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. I'm drinking some milk. Would you like a cup of tea? Do you want an orange? Buy him a nice present for his birthday. Father gives me some money every week. Do you want an apple? He has got some stamps. Would you like some orange juice? Would you like some butter and jam? Mom, please give me a melon. The monkey is eating apple. Apple is a countable and singular, and a is a vowel. We need to use an. The monkey is eating an apple. Number 12, Tom reads books every month. So this is plural. You can use on, so you need to use some. Tom reads some books every month. This is blank excellent test. So excellent test is a countable and singular, but E is a vowel, so we need to put on. This is an excellent test. Number 14, please buy blank little hamster. So hamster is a countable and then a little L is consonant. We need to put up. Please buy me a little hamster. Number 15, we need blank apples to bake a blank cake. So eggs is a plural. You cannot use our on, so you need to use some. We need some eggs to bake cake. It's singular and then countable, a cake. We need some eggs to bake a cake. Number 16, would you like coffee? Coffee is non-countable, so would you like some coffee? And number 17, she invites boys from her class every day. So boys is plural, so you need to use some. She invites some boys from her class every day. Number 18, he always puts sugar in his coffee. Sugar is not countable, so you need to use some. He always puts some sugar in his coffee. Number 19, Mom, I've got blank letter for you. So letter is countable and singular, a letter because L is consonant. Mom, I've got a letter for you. Number 20, I'd like blank cornflakes, please. And cornflakes is plural, so put some. I'd like some cornflakes, please. Let's read the sentences one more time. The monkey is eating an apple. Tom reads some books every month. This is an excellent test. Please buy me a little hamster. We need some eggs to bake a cake. Would you like some coffee? She invites some boys from her class every day. He always puts some sugar in his coffee. Mom, I've got a letter for you. I'd like some cornflakes, please.